Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we're going to overview our 2014 Crownline E4. So this is a 24-foot Crownline bow rider, and this boat had always been stored in rack storage on the Connecticut River. So freshwater usage, never stayed overnight in the water, always rack stored indoors. At the stern of the boat, here on the swim platform, we have the SeaDek, which is really nice cushion, nice grip. The swim ladder here folds nicely underneath this storage area, and we have the ski tow bar for tubing and water sports activities. Moving forward, we have this nice reversible sun pad seat for aft facing or forward facing. Underneath here is the Mercury 250 horsepower inboard outboard engine with 340 hours on it. Seeing the cushions wrap around on the port and starboard with cup holders behind. They both have storage underneath. We've got the infinity woven carpet throughout the cockpit. And as you keep moving forward, you have nice bolstered captain style seats, port and starboard. At the helm, we've got all of our gauges, C-zone, and the Polk audio radio. On the port side, we have a spacious head for a 24-foot boat with SeaDek, and that's a portable head. You'll notice that the shade covering us is with the Bimini top that can be folded up when not in use. And also that could be folded up as the windshield and the wind blocker here if you're getting any type of wind or water coming aboard. Storage underneath the helm. And as you move forward, you got these really nice bow seats that are contoured that lift your knees up a little bit. It's just a nice touch, a little bit more comfort. And we also have the armrests that move forward and back. And at the very bow, we do have a swim ladder for bow boarding, which also has the SeaDek on the front. So again, this is a 2014 Crownline E4, 340 hours, freshwater use, available at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. You can give us a call at 860-661-4761 or visit us at MarineMax.com.